Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Discord API error in a simple and effective way so you can use Discord features without interruptions or unexpected issues. This error usually occurs when Discord servers are overloaded or your connection is blocked. First, check if Discord servers are down by searching online. If there's a server issue, you just need to wait until it's resolved. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Try restarting your router or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, disable any VPN or proxy service because Discord API requests can fail from restricted or masked locations. You should also log out of Discord and log back in to refresh your session. Another useful step is to clear Discord cache. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, open the Discord folder, and delete cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. If the issue continues, try reinstalling Discord completely to remove corrupted files. Finally, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to see if they're blocking the connection. After following these steps, the API error should be resolved and Discord should work normally again, without problems. Subscribe the channel for more videos.